Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Rolling Walkers is probably one of the most sought-after mobility aids for seniors and individuals with mobility challenges, offering a perfect blend of support, comfort, and convenience. In this video, we will delve into the top-rated rolling walkers with seats and brakes, focusing on foldable options for easy storage and transportation, comparing key features such as weight capacity, adjustability, braking mechanisms, and overall durability to help you choose the perfect rolling walker to enhance your mobility and independence. Number 5. Drive Medical 10257BL, 1 Rollator. This stylish rollator offers stability and support for seniors and adults. Its durable steel frame and comfortable seat make it a reliable choice for everyday use. It features a strong steel frame, ensuring stability and longevity. The comfortable seat provides a place to rest during walks. 7.5-inch wheels provide a smooth ride, even outdoors. The hand brakes lock securely, ensuring safety. Easily adjust the handle height for optimal comfort. The removable backrest adds extra support when needed. It folds easily for storage and transport. The underseat pouch provides convenient storage space. This rollator is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. It's a walker you can rely on for years to come. What we like? This walker is sturdy and attractive. It offers great stability and support for seniors needing a reliable rollator. If you prioritize a walker that's both durable and aesthetically pleasing, this is the one for you. What people say. It is rare to find a product that is so excellently engineered. They really thought it through, with intuitive ease of use. It also very responsive with turning ratio. The seat is comfortable. The rollator is very well built and easy to put together. Basically it is together except for the handles and back bar. Very sturdy with high wheels. Easy to fold down and put into a very small car. Easy to maneuver and pretty lightweight compared to other brands. Number 4. Medline Aluminum Rollator Walker. It weighs only 14 pounds but can support up to 250 pounds. This makes it both easy to handle and incredibly safe for its user. The ergonomic handles are designed for a comfortable grip. Simply push up to brake and push down to lock the wheels. With its padded seat and backrest, you can rest comfortably. Plus, there's handy storage space underneath. It folds easily for simple transport and storage, making it perfect for travel or small spaces. Its 6-inch wheels provide a smooth ride, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Enjoy effortless mobility wherever you go. The handles are adjustable in height from 31 to 35 inches, ensuring a perfect and comfortable fit for every user. What we like? This lightweight rollator is easy to maneuver and store. Its portability makes it perfect for those who need a walker that's easy to transport. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This rollator assembled in minutes and light enough to load and unload from a car. It folds up quickly too. The handles can be adjusted for height. This was really quickly put together. It seems to be built well. The wheels roll well. Just pull up the seat, pull the two attached pieces to fold the product for storage or to put into the car. It's very lightweight. This rollator walker is a quality product as far as I can tell. It was super easy to make the minor assembly of handbars and back bar. It took me all of 10 minutes including unboxing. It is very lightweight and I can pick it up without any problem. Number 3. Medline Steel Rollator Walker. This walker is designed for stability and comfort. Its durable steel frame supports up to 350 pounds. It's built to last, providing reliable support for your daily walks. The sturdy frame ensures safety and stability. The ergonomic handles are easy to grip, even for those with limited dexterity. Simply push up to brake and down to lock. Enjoy a comfortable ride with the padded seat and backrest. It also features convenient storage underneath. It folds easily for storage and transport, weighing only 19 pounds. Take it with you wherever you go. The large 8-inch wheels roll smoothly, both indoors and outdoors. Navigate various surfaces with ease. What we like? This heavy-duty rollator is built to last and can support heavier users. The large wheels provide a smooth ride on various terrains. If you need a walker that can handle a lot of weight and provide a smooth ride, this is the ideal option. What people say. It just proves the markup on these things is horrendous. This walker was very easy to put together. Taking my time, from box opening to cleaning up the packing, I would say it took between 10 to 15 minutes to put together and clean up. The brakes hold very well, the tires grip even on slippery tile. The seat comes in handy to take a breather and sit down or to hold things for me as I move down the hallway or from the house to the car. It arrived yesterday and was very easy to assemble, just needed to attach the bag under the seat and the handles that already had the brakes attached. It took all of 10 minutes if that. It rolled easily enough, and the brakes took a minute to figure out, but it was simple enough in the end. The only drawback was that my feet dangled a bit. I really do like the convenience of having this rolling walker. This Medline walker is perfect with a smaller profile while still providing a padded seat, storage compartment and adjustable height of handles. In addition, I purchased the cup holder which works perfectly with this walker. The walker rolls and turns easily with the 8 wheels, and the brake levers are easy to utilize. Number 2. Helavo Foldable Rollator. It's made from strong, lightweight aluminum, weighing only 18.3 pounds. This makes it easy to use every day and supports up to 300 pounds. The handles adjust to suit different heights, up to 6.6 feet tall. The comfortable handles and seat with backrest provide great support. It folds down easily for storage and transport, measuring just 25.6 x 10.6 x 13.4. The included bag makes travel a breeze. With 8 all-terrain tires, it handles various surfaces indoors and outdoors. It's narrow with easily fits through doorways. It has a safe and easy-to-use braking system with a locking mechanism for stability. The wide, padded seat and backrest are perfect for taking a break. What we like. This walker is lightweight and easily adjustable to fit various heights. Its all-terrain wheels make it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. If you need a comfortable and adaptable walker for various environments, this is the one for you. What people say. It double folds into a compact size that can be gate-checked, like a baby stroller, or stowed in an airplane closet. The rollator is easy to unfold, but requires some dexterity to set up, involving a pair of screws and cotter pins. Once set up, the rollator is sturdy and stable, adjustable handle heights, and intuitive to use. High quality, well built and lightweight enough for me. It will fit in even into an even smaller car if you have one. We took it on a flight and cruise for our vacation. I love how easy it was to set up, the quality of the chair and wheels and it flooding down to a very small size make it ideal stowing just about anywhere. The handles are very easy to adjust up and down and the brakes are perfect. It's stowed in the plane very easily folded down and fit in our cabin and all of the hallways. Number 1. VOCIC Z21 Rollator Walker. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong, thanks to its durable aluminum alloy construction. Its innovative design folds quickly and easily for convenient storage and transport. The ergonomically designed seat and backrest provide exceptional comfort. You'll appreciate the extra padding and breathable materials. Its large, puncture-proof wheels roll smoothly over various surfaces. Enjoy worry-free mobility, whether indoors or outdoors. The sensitive braking system offers multiple modes for your safety. Reflective strips enhance visibility for nighttime walks. It features dual height adjustments for both the handle and seat, ensuring a personalized fit. Find the most comfortable position for you. A large detachable storage bag provides ample space for your essentials. It even converts into a comfortable backpack. Setup is a breeze with our easy-to-follow instructions. Plus, enjoy lifetime after-sales service and worry-free support. What we like. This walker offers superior comfort and adjustability. The multiple adjustments allow for a personalized fit, and the safety features provide peace of mind. If you prioritize comfort, adjustability, and safety, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The big wheels? Huge plus. It rolls smoothly over all sorts of surfaces, even those slightly bumpy sidewalks. Makes getting around so much easier. The large wheels make a huge difference compared to her previous walker. They roll smoothly and allow for easy maneuvering, even on different surfaces. The adjustable height feature is great because we were able to customize it for her comfort. This rollator is great. Very sturdy, easy to follow directions to assemble. Strong, light enough to be lifted in and out of vehicle but heavy enough to be strong enough for a bigger man. Rolls easily and has a convenient seat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.